So the first thing we're going to look at today, of course, is what is model view. Now, this concept isn't a new concept. It's been around since the 1970s. It's very, very similar to the model view controller design pattern. And what this does is this enforces some loose coupling between your back-end logic and some front-end interfaces. This allows our code to be reusable, easier to test. We can design these things in parallel. And for us, usually our interface is written in QML, and our back-end is usually done in C++, which is independent of the front end. So one thing I do want to say here is if you find yourself writing a lot of JavaScript for your components, remember, you should probably be turning these into C++. We're going to look at that in the next module when we talk about integration. But I want to mention that here because the models we'll be using will come from QML. But when we do production code, our models would be C++ models. Now, we have several components of model view. First off, we have the model, which is just an interface to our business logic or some data. We have a view. The view is going to display this data structure. And the delegate, which is going to be responsible for rendering the items inside of this view. Now, again, normally our model is going to be provided by a backend. And for that, Qt provides a QAbstractItem model class, which you will normally be subclassing if you have some kind of complex data. But for today, we're going to focus on the QML ones again. So what happens is when the model changes, it automatically is going to tell the view that the model changes, and then the view will update itself so that it correctly shows what's in the model. So Qt provides multiple views for this. They handle the viewing. There's ones which are widget-based, and there are ones which are QML-based. The QML ones are the list view, which displays things in a list. We have a grid view, which will display things in a grid. We have a path view, which can display things in a path that you provide. And we have a table view, which is not to be confused with the Qt controls version 1 table view. The table view I'm talking about is the one from Qt 5.12. Now, the other component that we have is the delegate. The delegate is kind of like the controller in the model view controller design, in that it's the part that you're going to interact with when you change something. It should be the part that enters edit mode. When it displays, it should be the thing. It is the thing that tells the model how to draw or how to display the data within the model.
Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, please subscribe to our channel and check out the free QML programming course on our website. The link is in the description.